It's also wholesome where Khan sits down night to teach him about his work, and then I kid you not, fucking 6 hours straight, motherfucker traumatizes a fucking baby with goddamn doors. I am dead serious. Hour 1, Saul's all fine. Now he's just learning what his granddad does at his job. 3 hours later, it's his nap time, and in 6 hours, he finally registers in his head the horrors of what is being taught to him. He's just so desperate to go home. I'm not actually pissed much. My nigga Ed finally shows up and takes his son home, and then gets on Khan's ass for teaching a fucking baby about the doors and the knobs, and then Lil Nice is in his dad's arms close to his chest, and all he can do is repeat the word doors in his mind in horror, forever traumatized for life.